Hi everyone! Today on Clove and Cumin, we are making super fragrant, perfectly spiced masala chai from scratch. So let's begin. Crush some whole cloves and cardamom pods to release all that delicious fragrance. On medium heat, add cold water to a pot, the crushed cloves and cardamom, fresh ginger, bay leaf and cinnamon. Bring to a boil. Add the tea and continue boiling for 4 minutes. Add sugar and evaporated milk and boil again for about 4 minutes. You can stir the pot a little at this point if you have a lot of leaves on the side. Once the tea is done, strain the tea and you're ready to go. This recipe is so good and restorative. We do hope you'll give it a try. One of the best things about making masala chai from scratch is that you can customize the flavor and spice intensity. So it's possible to make a perfect cup of tea for anyone. Enjoy!